Hi, in this video, I will talk about how I saved $20,000 last year in 2022 with only working 9 to 5 job, making about $50,000 a year. Hi, my name is John. Last year, I started working as an audit rep for a healthcare company, making about $25 an hour, which come out to be about $52,000 for my annual income. This $52,000 is gross pay, which is before any taxes and any deduction are taken out. Currently, I live in Orange County, California right now. As you can see, with $25 an hour, about $52,000 of annual income. My take-home money for the year after tax is about $38,000 through $39,000, which is about 75% of my annual income after tax. Very much tax and everything else take about 25%. Honestly, this is actually good for my income bracket. Now, if you make six figure or 100,000 or more in California, it's a different story. As you can see, you will pay much more taxes if you make six figure or more in California. If you break it down further, my monthly take-home income is about $3,200. And my bi-weekly, which means every 2 weeks paycheck, is about $1,500. Let's do a quick math. If I save $500 right away after every paycheck, so that means I save $1,000 each month. Then after 12 months, I would have saved $12,000 just by putting aside $500 right away after every paycheck. At this point, you would like, wait, you only saved $12,000. You're still missing $8,000. What happened to the $8,000? I saved the remaining $8,000 by doing overtime for extra income and save another $500 each month. So instead of saving $1,000 each month or $500 each paycheck, I saved $750 each paycheck or $1,500 each month and live on the other $1,500. So after 12 months, I would have saved up $18,000 just by putting aside $1,500 in my saving. Additional income. Initially, last year, I thought I had to do a part-time job on the weekend. Luckily for me, because of my job, due to the nature of my job as an audit rep, we do have a lot of paperwork, a lot of work that I need to review and pretty much audit the work for my healthcare company. And luckily, the company allowed me to come in early, stay late, even come in on Saturday to finish all my work. Because of that, I do get paid overtime, but I do have to come work like 6 days a week sometime, but I do have Sunday off. So in some way, I do have a work-life balance at the same time making additional income. How I survive on $1,500 a month after putting aside $1,500 into my saving. Honestly, in my 20s, I have worked a minimum wage job and I have worked multiple jobs that earn me between $20,000 to $30,000 a year. So living on $1,500 after tax each month is still doable for me because I know I could do it and I have done it before. It's hard. Honestly, it's hard, but it's doable. Here's the breakdown of my $1,500 a month budget. The bigger expenses for everyone is their rent or their housing costs. Personally for me, I was able to negotiate rent with my aunt for $300 a month for renting a one-bedroom. The reason is that I only slept there and go to work. I never spent time there because I have to take care of my dad and my grandma. My budget overall would be $300 for rent, $150 for gas, $100 or about $1,200 for annual car insurance, $100 for health insurance, my company copay, then utility will be $50, grocery $100, and then I will put in $100 for my 401k, then $200 for my Roth IRA, then $200 for loan payment. Then I will still have about $100 left for my other spending for fun or anything like that. So what is your thought on my monthly budget breakdown? Honestly, for this year 2023, I am planning to save $20,000 again from my $52,000 job. Hopefully I get a raise this year, but I am looking forward to create more content on this YouTube channel and hopefully get monetized by the end of the year, which will bring in additional income. On top of that, I am looking forward to learning more about business, online business, so I could create my own online business and bring in additional income. So there's a lot of stuff going on for this year of 2023, and there's a lot of things to learn, and there's a lot of exciting things that's coming up. So hopefully you will get something out of this channel. So let me know down in the comment below what you want me to talk about or what topic you want me to make a video about. And like and subscribe. On this channel, I talk about my life experiences and my journey to financial freedom. And I hope you get something valuable out of this channel. And yeah, well, take care of yourself, and I will see you again on next video. Bye!